guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit your dogs token allocation to Bitget exchange for those of you that participated in the airdrop campaign. So one advantage of you depositing your dogs to Bitget exchange is that you can qualify for some Bitget exchange reward on dogs. So I'm going to show you how you can go about it, and Bitget is a good exchange to use. So if you're looking for how to deposit on Bybit, Telegram in wallet, and the rest exchange, I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video that is going to guide you. So for you to deposit to Bitget exchange, this is what you need to do: is to click on deposit to exchange, select exchange and click on continue. Now you select Bitget exchange. Now you click on send here. So make sure your Bitget account is verified. So you click on yes, I have it. Now what you need to do now is to copy your Bitget UID and your dog's deposit address. So I'm going to minimize now and click here to get your details. So this is the UID. Alright, so you copy the UID, minimize and paste it here. And after that, minimize back, click here, click on assets. Now you click on add funds. Right, then what you need to do is click on deposit crypto. Now you look for dogs. Nice, so this is dogs. Your network. Now what you need to do is to copy the address, save the address, or if you want to save or not, no need to save. Then you click on send. Then after reading everything, make sure it is correct. Click on confirm. So deposit is in progress. Now be ready for the listing on August 26th. But according to the team, it's going to be listed on several exchanges on the 23rd of August 2024. So you click on Wolf. So looking on the screen, guys, deposit in progress. So make sure to use Bitget exchange. Very good. I'm going to drop my link at the description of this video. Please make sure to use my code as you can see on the screen for those of you that don't have the Bitget account. If you're in Nigeria, you can use NIM and your BVN to verify your Bitget exchange account. So for your BVN and NIM, you just need to put it down, so it is not stressful, it is easy to verify. So please make sure to use Bitget exchange so that you can get some reward for your dog's first deposit. And don't forget to use my referral code. I'm going to drop it at the description of this video. That is going to help you. So you can get it on Play Store or Apple Store. Verify it, then you're good to go. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.